entrance to the City of London. Now they're placed there to protect it from all evil, but I'm not too sure they were. Ahead of us on the right, we've got a large red brick building with a tower on top, and that's Stamford Wall. It's more commonly known as the Oxford Tower. That building used to be a coal store, a famous Oxford company, but when they had that building designed, it was illegal to advertise on the streets unless your company had something to do with boats. Now, so narrow, so wide side, not many of we've seen him down there today, away, it wasn't like any grass. We don't know what's happened on that side over 400 years. It is said that William Shakespeare had a trading room going on when he was performing at the nearby road over theatres. It's also said that Samuel Pepys' diaries, that's the anchor, wrote his diaries on great fire burns on the opposite shore. The next bridge here is the Cannon Street Railway Shaft. It's always built in the route down to the fire. Some of them will find out the others think itself. It's a great bar on Paisley Gallery, office space and luxury apartments as well. Also on the right, we've got the replica sitting around the world twice. They're currently repairing their first. Through the entry to Traitors Gate, to be locked up in the tower, or executed up on Tower Hill, or inside on Tower Green. Now one of the most famous people to pass through there was a very brave Scottish knight called William Wallace. Oh, you might really know him as well. But ahead of the boat we've got Tower Bridge. Now Tower Bridge was designed by Horace Jones and John Wolfe Barry. It was completed in 18. And it's all electric now, and it's a working museum. So you can climb up North Tower, across the West Walkway, and then visit the Victorian engine rooms on the other side. But as we pass through Tower Bridge, we leave the City of London, and we enter the Greater London area of 600 square miles. It's also where we make our next stop at Tower Bridge Quays and Cathedral Pier. So if anybody has a ticket for Tower Bridge Quays and Cathedral Pier, a ticket for the tower, whether it's a single or return, you must leave us here, because this boat will continue downriver. This boat will continue downriver to Greenwich. If anybody wants to get a boat from here back to Westminster, your first return sailing leaves here at 3:20.